and welcome to How Ines Rolls. We're on our way to go grocery shopping. It is freezing cold out here and we're coming to a different store. I got my helper and we have reasons why we've chosen this store. Let's go. I got Jonas, my helper, and why are we here?
Well, because of the Monopoly game.
Look, he is collecting Monopoly coupons. And what do you already have? What are we gonna get right now?
A fresh bagel or donut.
So he has a free donut. That's awesome. And I have a coupon as well. 10% off. So that's my whole order. It's cool, right? Looks like their bread is kind of picked over. Wah, wah. So we're needing to get some detergent, and it's got a good price for this location. This store tends to be one that I just get like odd end things, or if I need a recipe filler, so to say. It's a little pricey, huh? We're late enough too where we're not finding what we want. Oh well. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, 26.
26 cards. Maybe we'll have some instant winners. As you can see, all the bags are behind me. It's pretty late now. We need to start getting kids ready for bed. So I'm just going to unpack the bags and tell you. But wasn't that cool that it came down to $138 with all those little coupons? And Jonas is in heaven right now. He is opening up all those little player card things, so I'll let you know if we have any instant winners. Woo! But let me get started. Okay, I got these chicken nuggets again. These are those premium selects. Thank you for all of my friends who have been sending. I had a few of you send me the links to the Tyson's recalls. Thank goodness these were not them. So these ones are the premium selects. They are half of the amount of breading used, and so it seems like it's got like a high protein, so 16 grams of protein and only 2 grams of sugar, which really there shouldn't really be any, but I feel like that is going to be, those are some good numbers. I bought 2 of the store brands chocolate chip waffles. One of you suggested that I buy the store brand and Eggo and do a blindfold test with Ezra to see if he could tell the difference. I bet he could. But anyways, these were on sale, so we got them. He's pouting. Just some sliced cheese for sandwiches. I got a bag of some corn. I was thinking about making some shepherd's pie this week. I was trying to get as many ideas for meals. I was trying to get like 9 or 10. I don't think I did, but at least I got some. We got some more cheddar cheese, my favorite, and I'll show you what else I have. I got some hot dog buns. I'm just trying to do some easy, and I also went for some convenient kind of more foods these next week or so, because I'm going to be doing a bigger grocery haul next week. So about a week and a half or so. So I just wanted to kind of get through this part and still have some ideas for some upcoming recipes. So we always get beef hot dogs. Let me know if you are ones who get certain brands, if you have a favorite brand. Do you get the mixed meat or are you only a beef? We're only beef, and it has to be bun length. So these are Oscar Mayer's, but we usually do Nathan's. We love Nathan's. Okay, I got some more butter because we've been making a lot of things from scratch recently. Some garlic toast. So when we're walking up and down the aisles, Jonas would say, get that one, Mom, because I can get extra tickets. He's so funny. Okay, I got a bag of frozen chicken. We already have a little bit in the back freezer, so I didn't need to get a whole lot. That's just a few pounds. And then we saw these on the way. It was like the last thing we put in the cart, but just for convenience, we got some cut up fruit. We thought they looked yummy. They were buy 2, get 1 free. So I did pay a little bit more for the convenience part, but come on, they look really good, right? So because it was late at night or later in the evening, that bread was picked over. So we ended up getting honey and oat. It's on sale. I think we got extra tickets. But I don't know if my kids are gonna love this, but I will. I mean, these are really good. I also got some deli meat at the, I got some turkey, and then this is one of our favorites. It's like a pan roasted, and it's usually pretty expensive, but it was on sale. So I got a couple dollars off of the per pound, which, yay. We got some of Oreos for lunches, and I did get some more eggs for breakfast, and none of them were broken. And then I saw that they had these chopped salads on sale, so I got 2 of them. They're kind of similar. They both have bacon, but one has broccoli. Wait. Oh, they both have broccoli. But that's okay because they're so good. These ones are one of my favorites. And so we have also the lettuce here to add. One time I added one of these chopped ones and the lettuce, then added some cut apples and some other veggies that we had in the fridge. It was so good. So I'm gonna probably do that for one meal. And then I got a couple bags of chips just for lunches for the boys. I didn't know which ones they wanted, so I got one of each pretty much. And those ones are pretty inexpensive, like $1.67 because they're the store brand. All right, I'm getting close to the end. So there's some bananas and I got some grapes. These were like 98 cents a pound, which is pretty good. I got emergency pizza. Those come in handy a lot. Okay, so we got barbecue chicken pizza. That sounded good. And then like the traditionals. My boys do like those Red Barons, and those 3 were $10. So these, look at that, buy 1, get 2 free. So I love that sale. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but nothing was pretty much over $25. So I got all 3 of those for $25. So we'll do some grilled steaks and maybe some fajitas or just whatever we want to do with those. They'll be in the fridge or freezer waiting for us. I have some tater tots, one to go with the hot dogs, and then one to make a casserole because I got this on sale, more than 3 pounds for $12. You can see I got it for $12.69. So it was not too bad in price, $3.99 a pound. So that's pretty good. And some milk. And then the last is just some toiletries. We were out of, this is my favorite laundry soap. Just some toiletries. Oh, and these were buy one, get one free. So I love when I can get sales like that. And the bathroom tissue, I just kind of get the least expensive right now because I try to just keep that downstairs for the preschoolers. And if we need them upstairs, I already have some upstairs. So we just needed some toothpaste, and Ezra's going through lots of tissues still. Another reason why I got these ones, because he's been going through a lot of paper. So that's what I got. So thanks for stopping by my channel today, seeing what I got from Vons. Like I said, it's not normally where I would buy a larger haul. It's usually when I need to go get milk or some laundry soap. Not something I go and get all the time because Vons can be a little bit pricey, but we had some coupons, so it really did help this time. And Jonas, he's so funny. He loves these little game pieces, and he got 2 more donuts or bagels. So got some instant winners. That'll be fun for him to go and redeem those pretty soon. So thanks for stopping by. I'm so grateful to all of you. Let me know if you're one who goes to Vons and what your favorite things to get there. They have a pretty good deli, I will say. So I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. What you got there, Ezzy? Some breakfast? Would those be the chocolate chip waffles? You'll have to let us know if you like them. They're store brand. How do you know? Have you even tried them? Let's try them. Give it a chance. Let's see what happens.
You guys don't like to have syrup on your waffles if they have like chocolate chips or strawberry, right? What? Just keep trying. Keep trying. What do you think it's mixed up with?
Chocolate stuff.
What do you think? It's good, right? What do you think? Give it a thumbs up? Okay. And it's store brand.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.